Ladies and gentlemen, this time we are including science for the first time ever in the Bangladeshi Students Association's program of events.
The name of the event is Nature of Noise, and it will be
exclusively presented to you by a professor from the Department of Computing Science, and his name is Abram Hindle. So if you all can join me in welcoming Professor Abram Hindle on the stage, please.
I'd also like to add a little bit. He's a software engineer. Thank you.
Hello, hi, I'm Abram Hindle. Tonight I'm going to present to you the sound of the stars. Essentially, stars don't make sound. So what I do is I take the emission spectrum, the light from stars, and we sonify the different kinds of light. And we sonify it by pitch shifting from nanometer wavelengths to centimeter wavelengths, such that you kinds of light. And we sonify it by pitch shifting from nanometer waves, the pressure, into pressure waves, so you can hear as well. Nobel laureate? Yeah. Anyways, I took a bunch of his scores, and now we will be playing the scores of this great man to the sound of the stars. So we'll take the sound of the stars and we'll make the notes. And that's what we'll do tonight. Okay, so I'm going to put the mic down and get started.